Hi everyone, this is Melinda from MTZ Crew Designs. Welcome back to another tutorial from the Paint Couture creative team. Today I have a quick video for you on how I added some much needed charm to this pair of iron lamps. And full disclosure, I almost threw these lamps away, but they had potential, and I knew that with the really fun products from Paint Couture, I could make some magic happen. So let's get started. So here they are, and as you can see, I did add some gold metallic paste to the edges of the lampshades, and I love how the design turned out. I'm a huge fan of the Brocade gold metallic glaze. I could probably find a use for it on any project I work on. But the lamps turned out really nicely, and the finished look is just so fun. And that wraps it up for today's tutorial. Again, I'm Melinda from MTZ Crew Designs. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If I've inspired you to create with the amazing products from Paint Couture Paint, please feel free to use my affiliate link that will be located down below, along with the full list of all the products that I used today. Or you can scan this QR code and it will take you directly to the website. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing content that our Paint Couture creative team is putting together for you. I hope you have an amazing day, everyone. Bye.